Hi, I'm Jennifer Ramey, and I'm a patient of Dr. Kinkle. I've had a couple of procedures with Dr. Kinkle. I had a corrective breast reduction surgery, a bilateral knee lift, a lower calf liposuction for sculpting, ThermiRF. Dr. Kinkle is amazing. He is probably the sweetest man that I've ever met. I don't even look at him like a doctor. I look at him like a friend. He is the most genuine, kind-hearted person. When he walks in the room, I just get, so excited to see him. He makes me feel much better about myself. He sees each one of us in our own beauty, and I love that about him. He's very reassuring. He makes me feel very confident about what we're fixing to do. He has brought me down when I think something is more major. He comes back and is, very clear about, okay, let's think this over. You need to look at this on a realistic level. I think you're seeing more flaw than what's really there. In the moment, as a mom and as a wife, you can tend to tear yourself down a bit unrealistically. And it's so great to know that I can come in and have a consultation with Dr. Kinkle and know that he's going to be 100% honest with me, but he's also going to explain to me that, there are certain things that I can change with lifestyle even. I don't ever feel forced to have a procedure with Dr. Kinkle. He gives me alternate means, but when it's time to go ahead and do a corrective surgery like on my lower calves, I was really glad that he was willing to hear my wants and needs and not turn me down. He knew that I had exercised for years to try to, contour and correct that area, which would never have happened with any amount of exercise and diet whatsoever. And took it upon himself to research that and come in, and I had an amazing result in my lower legs that I never thought could ever be possible. And I will be eternally grateful to him for the things that he was willing to go out and pursue and get education on and come back and say, let's try this, because it's something that has affected my self-esteem for 45 years. He has truly changed my life. He's changed my marriage. He's changed my attitude. I would never wear shorts prior to knowing Dr. Kinkle, and now I have a great picture of my family, and we're on a beach, and I'm wearing white shorts, and I'm rocking them, and I'm so very happy about that. I had a canvas made. Dr. Kinkle is not just a doctor. He is my friend, and I trust him. He has a gift. He is a gift in his skill level, but also in just who he is as a human being. I'm very thankful to know him. When other doctors have told you no, that that's just not feasible, that's not something that we feel is going to be an option for you, this is where Dr. Kinkle tends to stand out to me. When Dr. Kinkle never told me no, he said, let me research it. Let me look into this. Let me see what your options are. I didn't have surgery that next month. I knew he was checking on these things because he would call me and say, hey Jen, I'm checking on some stuff for you. I've got other things that I'm looking into. Don't give up. I'm gonna get you a result. I had the bilateral knee lift, which is not a very popular surgery. And he went and really explored it. He gave me several things to work on at home before we had the surgery. I did all of those. I fulfilled my portion of the obligation, and then came in and we had another consultation, and he went in and removed just excess skin over the top of my knee, and it absolutely looks amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thank you for allowing me to be unrealistic, and you bringing me back to a level. He absolutely makes me feel like a part of his family. I walk in, I'm absolutely reassured. When they're putting in an IV, he walks in the door, I have an anesthesiologist standing there, and he holds my hand and he's like, we're gonna do this, we're gonna be in and out of there, and you're gonna look amazing. And you know what? I am so thankful to him. He's just a genuine, kind man.